Ever wondered what Google really thinks about your website? There's a free tool which can tell you, and it's built by Google themselves. It shows you exactly how your site appears in search, the keywords which you rank for, even the ones you didn't know about, and any problems which might be costing you clicks. It's called Google Search Console, and by the end of this video you'll know why it's one of the most important tools your business can use. Hi and welcome. This is the first episode in our Search Console series. If you're a business owner who's never used Search Console, or maybe never even heard of it, then you're in the right place. We're going to cover why you should set it up and what it can do for you without drowning you in jargon. Now, this isn't about turning you into a full-time SEO. It's about showing you how Search Console can help more people find your business, uncover missed opportunities, and spot problems before they cost you money. We'll be going deeper into the how in later episodes. For example, in episode 5, we'll be showing you how to use it to recover from a bad site migration. And in episode 6, we'll help you uncover keywords which you didn't know your website was actually ranking for. But first, you're going to need to know why setting up your free Google Search Console account is worth your time. You're probably asking yourself, what is Google Search Console? Well, think of it as a health and performance dashboard for your website in Google search results. If Google is like a shopping mall, then Search Console is the security camera, the customer counter, the mystery shopper reports, all rolled into one. It tells you things like which search terms people use to find you, how many times your site appeared in Google's results, the impressions, along with how many people click through to your site, where you rank for in all of those searches, along with any technical issues stopping you from showing up. The best part is, it's totally free. Now, Google's ranking algorithm is a closely guarded secret, and with millions of websites all vying for visibility and perhaps a competitive edge, Google can only realistically offer one-to-one guidance to members of the SEO press and influencer community. For everyone else, Google's Search Console tool serves as a powerful self-serving resource that we can all use, giving you the ability to view your site through Google's own lens. Now, why should your business actually care? Well, if your website brings in leads, sales, or bookings, then visibility on Google is critical. Without Search Console, you're just guessing how your site is doing. You might already have an analytics package set up, which is reporting traffic on your site. But with Google Search Console, you see exactly how many people are finding you through search, even if they didn't click. You can identify the search terms you've already ranked for and improve that position. And you can catch problems like broken pages or missing mobile compatibility issues before they hurt your rankings. And because it's first-party Google data, it's about as accurate as it gets, fresh within a few hours. Here is what most SMEs find most valuable. Performance data is when you can see what you're ranking for, even when people aren't clicking. Our episode on performance reports is going to go deeper in how to take advantage of this. An analogy which I always use is that an analytics package tells you what is going on inside your store, whereas Search Console tells you what's going on outside in the high street. Indexing reports cover which of your pages are in Google's index and why some of them aren't. If you're seeing major issues, say 10,000 errors or warnings in Search Console, or your reports suddenly show a sharp drop in clicks without any explanation, that is the kind of red flag which is worth acting upon immediately. Now, our team here at Genesi, we live and breathe SEO, so feel free to email us at show@wearegenesi.com and we'll help you get to the root of that problem fast. Sitemaps allow you to make Sure, Google knows about all of your important pages. We spend a whole episode explaining how they work and give you a tutorial on how to build your own. Error detection reports in Search Console tell you issues from broken links to server issues as Google encounters them. You'll get alerts to problems you might never notice otherwise. Finally, security warnings. If your site gets hacked or infected with malware, you'll hear about it here first before it does too much damage. Imagine you run a law firm in Kansas City, Missouri. Without Search Console, you might simply assume your top search term is already Kansas City attorneys. But when you check performance reports, you might discover that you're also showing up for business contract lawyers in Missouri. And that keyword has a higher click-through rate and a #1 position. Armed with that insight, you could update your services page, you could create a dedicated landing page for contract law services, and strengthen your presence in a lucrative niche you never knew was already bringing potential clients to your door. We have some valuable videos coming up in this series showing you how to use the performance report to uncover valuable data in your traffic and also how best to utilize it. One of the biggest myths is that Search Console is only for developers and SEO specialists. And yes, it has advanced features, but you don't need to use all of them to get value. Even a quick weekly check-in can reveal opportunities and spot issues early on. We're going to walk you through every useful section in future episodes so you can use it with confidence. Now you might be saying, that sounds interesting, I'll set that up when I need that data. But Google Search Console only gives you historical data from the date you set it up onwards. Now bear in mind, Search Console only begins collecting data from the moment you verify the site, and while you usually have access to up to 16 months worth of performance data, older search history is not retained in the user interface indefinitely. That means the sooner you verify the site, the sooner it starts collecting valuable information. Even if you don't plan to use it right away, you need to get it running in the background as soon as possible. That way, when you are ready to dive in, you'll have months worth of data waiting, helping you to make important decisions. In the next episode, we're going to guide you through setting up Google Search Console step by step, without the headache. From picking the right verification method to making sure all the tracking is in place for the whole site. We're going to have you up and running in minutes. And once that's done, you're going to be ready to explore the reports and insights that can make a real difference to your business. So that's your quick introduction to Google Search Console, what it is, why it matters, and how it can help your business. Have you got any questions about Search Console for your business? Whether you're brand new to the tool or you've been using it for a while but aren't quite sure how to interpret the data, just drop us an email at show@wearegenesee.com. We can walk you through your reports, prioritize fixes, and turn those insights into measurable results. In the meantime, head over to wearegenesee.com/show where you can grab a free beginner's guide to Search Console for your business, plus all the checklists from this entire series. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the setup tutorial in episode 2. Hit the like button and drop us a comment if you're already using Search Console. We'd love to hear what you've found most useful. Remember, when people search, we want them to find your business and choose your business. See you in the next video.